Hi friends, in this video we will learn data definition language and what are the commands in data definition language. What is data definition language? It is a language used for defining and modifying data and its structure. It is used to build and modify the structure of your table and other objects in database. All the commands of DDL are auto committed. That means it's permanently save all the changes in the database. You cannot change the past values. You will understand clearly how DDL works. Now see what are the commands in DDL. Under DDL it can perform 5 operations, that is create, drop, alter, truncate, rename. Create. How to use create and what are the operations we can perform on create? It is used to create a new table in database. That is the syntax. Create table, table name, what we want to given for the table, that name we write at bracket, column name 1 data type, column name 2 data type, column name n data type, and semicolon. This is the syntax for creating a table. We will see how to create in practical in next video. The link is given in description. Drop. It is used to remove an object in database. It's remove entire data structures from the database. Syntax. Drop table, table name, what we are giving the table name, that's you replace at table underscore name. Alter. It allows to alter or modify the structure of database. Use this command. You can add additional columns, drop existing column, even change the data type of the column. Example syntax. Alter table, table name, add column, new column name and data type, that's the data type. That is the syntax for example 1. Example 2. Alter table, table name, change old column name and new column name. Example 3. Alter table name, drop column name. You drop the column and creating a new column for the table. Rename. It is used to rename an object. Syntax. Alter table, table name, rename table, old name to new name. This is the syntax for rename. For example, alter table emp, rename emp to employee. I am changing table name emp to employee. This is the syntax for rename. We will see practically how these are working in next video. Link given in the description. Okay. Truncate. It is used to delete all the rows from the table permanently. It removes all the records from the table, including all spaces allocated for the record. Let's see example. ABC is the table. Column names: name, surname column, ABC, age column, gender column. These are the columns. These are columns available in ABC table. After truncate, after use truncate, ABC, name, surname, age, gender, these columns are available, but entire the data will be removed in the table. You see this row, first row and second row are deleted. That means entire all the rows will be deleted after using truncate. We will see practically how they are work in next video. Next video link given in description. Okay, please subscribe and share, comment. Thank you for watching.